You could be doing everything right and still be invisible on Google Maps. I know you optimized your business description, added killer photos, mentioned that you're operating 24/7, and even have more reviews than your competitors, but none of them seems to move the map rankings. I've been there in the exact situation in the past, and the truth is, there's a tiny simple mistake that most local business owners or even seasoned SEOs makes that's actually killing their rankings. The worst part is you probably don't even realize you're doing it. Today in this video, I'm going to reveal the exact mistake and also tell you why it's killing your visibility, and also going to give you the exact fix. So if you have a local business or manage multiple GBPs for your clients, this may be the most 8 valuable minutes you spend today. So let's get started. See, everyone tells you the same thing, right? Add more reviews, post photos regularly, use keywords in description. And don't get me wrong, these are all useful, but they're not the reason you're stuck on page 2 of Maps. What nobody talks about is the core signal Google uses to trust your business. Before revealing the mistake, there are only 3 things that Google expects you to tell them clearly when it comes to local SEO, which is who you are, what you offer, and where you offer it. And now you probably be guessing what is the mistake that you would be doing, right? And let me reveal you the biggest SEO mistake that many are doing it, which is none other than inconsistent NAP data. Here, according to Google's generative AI, it mentions that approximately 41% of US businesses have inconsistent NAP, which is a really big numbers, guys. So this consistency can lead to lower search rankings and lost trust from potential customers. Let me pull up a Google guideline for you. So this is the fundamental guidelines for representing a business on Google, guys. So I'm just reading point 1 and 2 from understanding basic guidelines. It says, represent your business as it's consistently represented and recognized in the real world across signage, stationery, and other branding. Make sure your address and or service area is accurate and precise. So it's again mentioning that the service area should be accurate and precise, and also the address and everything, right? It should be consistently represented across the web, guys. So let me give you an example here. We once worked with a dentist in Charlotte. On Google, his address said 376 Main Street, Suite 4. But on Yelp, it was 376 Main Street, but it didn't mention the suite number. On Facebook, it was 376 and just Suite 4, and it didn't mention Main Street on Facebook. So to a human, it's clearly the same place, but to Google, it still reads text that looks like 3 different locations, right? And if Google doesn't know which one to trust, it doesn't trust any of them. So what happens? You stop showing up in the local map pack and you become invisible because you didn't mention Google clearly that where you do your business. And here's the kicker, the business owner had no idea this was happening until we came and fixed the issue. He thought his GBP was fully optimized. We tested this with a plumbing company in Dallas, and before fixing their NAP data, they probably were ranking like number 15 in their main service area. They had like more than 100 plus citations, but many were outdated. What we did was we cleaned up their data using a simple audit and correction method, and within 3 weeks, they shot up to position number 3 in the local map pack. Let me give you a step-by-step process on what to do. So the first step is auditing your existing listings. You'll probably see 3 tools on the screen, and you can make use of any one tool. And for the sake of the demonstration, I'm going to show you how it can be done on Bright Local. Now I'm inside Bright Local, and Bright Local offers a 14-day free trial. If you are having like a couple of GBP listings, you can very well manage this. Or if you just want to make sure, if you just want to clean up your NAP listings, then probably you can make use of the 14-day trial and do all your corrections, and then you can, you don't have to sign up for the paid version. Of course, this is free sign up and no card is needed. Okay. Once you sign up, what you're going to do is just go to local SEO tools and then click on citation tracker. I have already audited some GMB listings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new GBP listing. Okay. For this, what you need to do is go to add new report, and you need to type in your location. Okay. Now we have to add a new location. I'll manually do this. Just watch me. From here, you just have to go to local SEO tools and click for GBP citation tracker. Okay. Just have to go to citation tracker. Just go to add new report. Okay. So you will be seeing this page. Okay. Here, just add new report. And what you need to do is you just need to add a location here. Okay. Just click on add location. And does this location have a physical address? Yes. Currently, I don't have admin rights. And what I've done is I just typed in roofing contractor Charlotte NC, and I went to the second page of the map results and then chosen this GBP listing, Carolina Storm Roofing. Okay. So what I have done is I've just going to copy paste this here, and just have to make sure that this is the correct GBP. I'm going to add the number here. Okay, once I add the number, this is showing up. So once I add the number, the correct GBP is showing up. I'm going to click this, okay, and we already have this GBP listing here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit next. So this page, everything will be pre-filled, and I'm going to hit next. Here I'm not going to do anything, I'm just going to hit next, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this location, okay? First of all, we're just adding the location to our citation tracker, and once the location is added, we can run a citation audit. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit run citation search. Okay, it asks for a business type, so probably the business is roofing contractor. And I'm going to hit run citation search, and we'll have to wait for some time. So currently it's grabbing citations. Now Bright Local has fetched the citations, and we probably have like 3 NAP errors it's showing. Now it's showing around 3 NAP errors, and let's check this one by one. As you can see, there are some mismatch in the addresses, which is marked with the red color, and you can check the status of each citations here, okay? Whichever it's mentioning this symbol, it is mentioned as suspected NAP issues, okay? And also they have some duplicate NAP listings, and here it's mentioned as duplicate citations suspected. What you can do is you can manually log into those websites and correct them manually, right? Or also use a service called Yext, which is everything is automatic, but you have to pay a premium price in Yext. Let me scroll down and see here in this directly easy local. They have just mentioned the Charlotte NC. They haven't mentioned their complete address, okay? And also in this website, you can see they have the wrong phone number. So now we have found the NAP errors. What we can do is fix the inconsistencies. We have 2 options. We can either manually correct or use a premium listing like Yext, where they will do it, but for a premium charge, or you can hire SEO agency or a freelance SEO service provider to do it for you, right? You can manually correct Google Business Profile, Help, Facebook, Apple Maps, and some industry specific directories, right? And make sure everything is consistent. When I say consistency means same format, same abbreviations, and same punctuations. Yes, even commas and periods matter, guys, right? So make sure everything is correct and accurate, and you don't have any NAP mismatches. So bonus tip would be, once your NAP is clean, claim your listing on every major platform and do a press release. So this should help you earn some fresh backlinks from really high authority websites. And post a GBP update mentioning your service area and NAP. This should reinforce local relevance post cleanup, guys. Now let's recap real quick. What we have done is we have audited our NAP across the web, fixed every inconsistency, even the small ones, added local business schema, which I have added a link to the video, and re-indexed our website for faster results, right? This simple fix alone could be the difference between crickets and customers, guys. Now imagine what happens when you layer this with advanced Badgeo. Don't worry, I have a dedicated video for this, which you can watch here in the cards, and also I will leave the link in the description box. Also in the upcoming videos, I'll be sharing about entity stacking, map stacking, and many other cool concepts in local SEO. So if you found this video valuable, hit that like, subscribe, and drop a comment below, guys. Remember, Google rewards clarity and punishes confusion, right? So let's make sure your business is crystal clear. See you in the next one. Take care.